Good morning and welcome to Friday Celebration Assembly for Newlands Primary School. As always, I am so super excited to be able to read out and present awards to the wonderful children that we have at Newlands Primary School. The teachers and the teaching assistants and all the staff are so proud of the hard work and bravery our children have been showing over the last few weeks. And they wish they could give every child an award every week. But we do have some special ones just this week that we would like to share with you. And the first ones are for our Going for Gold awards. Going for Gold. In Leeds class, we have Caden for being super helpful and picking up toys outside. In York class, we have Bailey for always taking part and answering questions during carpet time. And we also have one for Michael for fantastic maths work this week. In Hall class, we have Evie for brilliant counting of objects in math this week. Well done, Evie. Keep it up. Then we have Mia. This is for practicing her letter A formation at home and telling Mommy, round the apple and down the leaf. Well done. In Nottingham class, we have Lilia for her fantastic ideas when discussing the characters from The Three Little Pigs. We also have Roscoe for super descriptive sentences about the wolf and pig. In Liverpool, we have Marcy and Isabel for superb partitioning work in maths of tens and ones. In Cardiff class, we have Ruby for her amazing effort with her home learning. She's reading lots as well as practicing her times tables and spellings to help her learning. And then we have Kristen for her fantastic work in English. She's produced a lovely double-page spread showing the features of a non-chronological report. In Edinburgh 1, we have Dylan for hard work and perseverance with his spellings. We also have Keely. This is for her super attitude to learning and for working really hard. In Edinburgh 2, we have Poppy. Poppy receives this for trying her best in maths. She's persevered and she's worked hard. We also have Addison for his beautiful presentation in his books. Miss Lofthouse is very impressed. In Cambridgeshire, we have Marta for being a good friend and helping their new child to settle into Cambridge class. We also have Scarlett for trying her best with her work and making sure she stays focused. In Oxford class, we have Benjamin for learning his spellings. We also have Casey Jane for working hard and staying focused and keeping our safety rules. In Chester class, we have Ramaya. This is for being a great friend and showing empathy towards others. In Lincoln class, we have Isaac for joining in with group activities and his interaction with others. Let's give all of those children a big hand. Well done. I am super proud of all of you. Now we have Year of Being Brave. First, we have in Leeds class, Flynn. This is for trying to face his fears when hunting many beasts. In York class, we have Henry for being brave when he fell over and bumped his head. In Hall class, we have Izzy for being so brave after a little fall this week when she was playing outside. We also have Leland for trying hard to get on with his jobs with the help of a grown-up. In Nottingham class, we have Jacob GC for having a go at some tricky read, write, ink words. We also have Isabella for trying to express her opinion and to share those ideas. In Liverpool, we have Raymond's for a confident start to the new year and new school. In Cardiff class, we have Isabella for intellectual bravery as she has returned to school and tried really hard in all of her work. We also have Katie for intellectual bravery as she has been trying hard in her learning. In Edinburgh 1, we have Kian for his perseverance with learning spellings and showing his disciplined bravery. We also have Harry for showing intellectual bravery by reading lots at home each week. In Edinburgh 2, we have Amelia for showing disciplined bravery. Even though she fell over during PE, she got up and carried on. We also have Joshua, who is displaying moral bravery as he is always a good friend and looks after others on the playground. In Cambridge class, we have Renice for showing intellectual bravery by settling well into Cambridge class. In Oxford class, we have Renice for moral bravery for dealing well with a situation over her packed lunch. We have Sarah for disciplined bravery for keeping going in maths. In Chester class, we have Kai for taking some risk this week and joining in with more activities. In Lincoln class, we have Benji for his great start to be at school full time. Another amazing group of children. Let's give them a big hand. Well done. So we've had another fantastic week at Newlands. Maybe a little bit of rain, but I think that all of you have done really well with coping with that. I also want to say that I want to give all of the staff at Newlands a huge Year of Bravery award. I am so proud of everyone and how hard they've been working and making sure that all of our children are being kept safe, as well as learning as we continue on to this year. Have a good weekend, everyone. Bye.